This is a quick video about which scanner I personally think is better for 35mm film scanning. Okay, real quick, just some final thoughts. I just wanted to come on and say that they are both pretty cheap, right? Because scanners usually go for like $6,000. They're pretty expensive, but this is like pretty good for disposable camera scanning. So Kodak, I think, just does better automatic scans and has a better color resolution. When you're scanning on the Wolverine, you saw the automatic scan came out green, but on the actual scanner, like, it didn't look green. It looked pretty fine. The other thing is you can actually on the Kodak see the color adjustments as you're adjusting it on the photo. You can't do that on the Wolverine. You have to go through each single color, and it's kind of a process. The other thing, Kodak adapter kind of sucks because you can't pull it and push it the same direction, like from one end, whereas on the Wolverine you can. They're the same price. They're about like $160 on Amazon, so relatively cheap. And the Kodak comes with like a TV plug, which I don't really need, but comes with it if you need it. And yeah, that's really it. The Kodak just includes more cables, which is kind of irrelevant, but I just think it has better automatic scan. You don't really have to adjust the colors as much. So in my opinion, Kodak wins over Wolverine. So thank you for watching if you made it this far. Hopefully it wasn't too boring. And yeah, that's it.